Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that we recently discovered online, the Kingslim O3PRO 3-channel 5G Wi-Fi Dash Cam. We've added a link in the description down below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. The Kingslim O3PRO is a sophisticated dash camera designed to enhance your driving experience by providing comprehensive recording capabilities. This model stands out with its unique 3-channel setup, featuring a 2.5K front camera along with two 1080p cameras for the rear and the cabin. This means you can simultaneously capture footage from multiple angles, front, rear, and inside your vehicle, ensuring that no important moment goes unrecorded. Let's break down some of the most impressive features of the O3PRO. First and foremost, the 2.5K resolution on the front camera delivers stunning video quality, which is particularly valuable in capturing clear details, whether it's license plates or other critical evidence in the event of an accident. Meanwhile, the rear and inside cameras record in 1080p, providing a well-rounded view of your surroundings. Another significant advantage of this dash cam is its speedy 5 GHz Wi-Fi capability. This allows for a 4 times faster download speed compared to standard 2.4G Wi-Fi. If you've ever struggled with slow downloads, you'll appreciate how this feature makes it easy to view and manage your footage directly from your smartphone, whether you're using iOS or Android. You can even share your videos on social media with just a few taps. Night driving can be especially daunting, but the Kingslim O3PRO has you covered with its Auto IR night vision feature. The inside camera automatically switches to night vision mode in low-light conditions, ensuring that you capture detailed footage even in the dark. This can be incredibly reassuring, especially for those who frequently drive at night or in dimly lit areas. Another practical feature to consider is the seamless loop recording. This means that when the memory card is full, the dash cam will automatically overwrite the oldest footage, ensuring that you always have the most recent recordings available. Plus, the included 64GB memory card is a great bonus, offering ample storage for your recordings right out of the box. And let's not forget about the built-in G sensor. This sensor detects sudden movements or collisions and triggers emergency recording, protecting crucial footage that might be vital for insurance claims or legal evidence. This feature adds an extra layer of security, giving you peace of mind while you're on the road. So, who is the Kingslim O3PRO suitable for? If you're a daily commuter, a rideshare driver, or someone who frequently takes road trips, this dash cam is an excellent investment. Its 3-channel recording capability is perfect for capturing all aspects of your journey, whether you're documenting your trips or ensuring safety on the road. Additionally, families and taxi services can benefit from the added security of having the cabin monitored, which can be particularly useful in case of any disputes or incidents. In practical use, imagine being able to provide clear evidence following a car accident or simply capturing the memorable moments of a family road trip. The O3PRO makes it easy to document your travels, ensuring that you have a reliable record of every journey. In summary, the Kingslim O3PRO 3-channel dash cam is a feature-rich device that brings peace of mind and enhanced safety to your driving experience. With its high-resolution cameras, fast Wi-Fi capabilities, night vision, and robust emergency recording features, it stands out as a leading choice in the market. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.